Quiet.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lee County in north-central Illinois, Ogle County in north-central Illinois, until 4 p.m.
Oh,
At 2:47 p.m., severe
I predicted
thunderstorms
it.
were located along a line extending from near Fairhaven to Prophetstown to Kewanee, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Dixon, Byron, Oregon, Mount Morris, Amboy, Polo, Foreston, Stillman Valley, Franklin Grove, Ashton, Lost Nation, Sublette, Woodhaven Lakes, Leaf River, Grand Detour, Nelson, Harmon, Woodland Shores, Adeline, and Baileyville, including the following Interstate 88 between mile markers 45 and 70. This includes Castle Rock State Park, Lee County Fairgrounds, Loudoun State Park, Ogle County Fairgrounds, Sauk Valley College, and White Pine State Park. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north-central Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio.